So over here you can see that I have this particular image right here, and now let's say what I want to do is I want to go ahead and replace out the color that you see right here. So for that, what you can do is you can actually use a flood fill tool in Affinity. So to do that, simply right click on the layer right here that you want to use the flood fill in, and then click on rasterize right here. Once you do that, this is what you have. So now what I can actually do is I can go to the pixel area right here, just like this. And over here, what I can do is click and hold, and here under the fill tool, you can see flood fill tool right here. So you can go ahead and choose another color that you want right here, just like this. Let's say, for example, I'm going to select red. Once you do that and click somewhere else right here, you can see that the same color right here, the tree which was green, now actually fills up with red right here. If I were to click right here, you can see that it fills that color with red as well. Let me just press Ctrl Z. So let's say I just want to fill out this shade, but if I were to click, you can see that the whole house actually fills up. Let me just press Ctrl Z, and for that, I can actually go ahead and decrease out the tolerance level right here. Once you do that, the tolerance level is lower, so it only fills up less area. Let me just press Ctrl Z and increase out the tolerance level. Once you do that, more area right here, more similar areas will actually be filled out right here. And you can also enable anti-alias that actually smoothens out the result. As you can see, this is without. You can see the dots right here, everything right here. Turn on anti-aliasing right here, and then you can see that this is what you have. You got much more smoother result. Apart from that, you can also choose the blending mode. So you can go for a darker look right here. So the selected color will be darker if you were to do that. You can go for lighten right here, just like this as well. You can even go for linear light and so forth, and choose different sort of content right here. For example, you can go around and have glow as well and so forth. So that is simply how you can go ahead and then utilize the flood fill tool inside of Affinity. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.